Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how to uninstall your League of Legends from your PC. So at first just open your PC, and as you open your PC go in this Windows search bar and just type League of Legends. And as you type it, you can see the option League of Legends, and where you can also see the option uninstall. So at first just click on here, and as you do that you are taken to this page. And from here again go in the search bar and just type League of Legends. And as you type it, click on these three dots right here. And as you do that guys, all you have to do is click on this option. And as you click it, your right client will uninstall the League of Legends from your PC. So guys, that's how you uninstall the League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.